What's going on, guys? So today I wanted to do a quick review on the STA-BIL blade guard. There's not too many videos out of it on YouTube or on the internet, so I thought I'd make a very positive review I have on this. For years we've used, I think it's 3M, some type of spray for all of our trimmers, or hedge trimmers, brush cutters, chains, everything like that. And problem is with the spray, this spray, I mean, it was for this kind of stuff, but gunk would stick to it, and I just thought I'd experiment a little bit. That's all. I mean, we use STA-BIL's other products, like the storage, the power boost for the diesel, the 360 protection. I don't know if you can see it back there, but we use all their stuff. So I thought I'd give this a shot. And again, this is for blades. A little bit about this: it cleans and protects everything, and it's plant friendly. That's one thing I looked into before I bought this, was I wanted to make sure it's obviously good to use if you sharpen everything and then you lube everything up and you go and trim some bushes, and say God forbid it, you get dead ends and it starts killing everything. But it's good. It says it's plant friendly. A few things about this, and I'll try to get closer here. It's for use on hedge trimmers, brush cutters, saw blades, axes, shears, and pruners. And we're actually going to put some on these guys at the very end, 2 pairs of those. So like I said, we're going to give it a shot. Well, I mean, give it a shot on the pruners, but like I said, we've used this a few times and no complaints. Again, it's better than the spray we've been using, so I thought I'd make a quick video on going about this. So the first thing you want to do is obviously sharpen all the blades on here before you do it. Or I guess if you're on the fly, and you think it needs some, then I guess go ahead. But I'll show you how we do this real quick. Actually, I left a few up here. You might be able to see. Again, I'm sorry if you can't. Let me adjust this a little. Alright, so I'll show you how we go about sharpening these blades. I used one of the Dremels. This is what we've used for a very long time, and no complaints. Let's put a new head in there. Like I said, we sharpen everything up before going about. Make sure it's good to go. Just give me 1 second, guys. Put the head on here. All right, so this is like I said, a quick little one on how we go about everything. That's all. Safety glasses. I don't want this stuff flying in my face. Go about this real quick. Alright, so again, with that, I have a quick video. We use the Dremel for sharpening the blades on there, which is great on the fly. I mean, there's nothing plugged into the wall, and we actually keep this little guy charged in one of our dump trailers when we're shuffling around, trimming on weekends and things like that. So the blade guard. So when you put this on, obviously you put it in between the blades, or in between the teeth, whatever you want to call it. Not a crazy amount, but you'll see, like, when you spread it, it kind of... there's like a stream, if you'd say. So we do it on the side of the blade and on the blades themselves. So let's give it a shot here. And you'll see it's kind of like a quick motion. You go up and down, back and forth, right up between all the blades. And if you miss one, you'll see once you start everything up, kind of... move this here for you guys. I'm doing this one-handed, so please just bear with me. And then same on the other side. Go up and down, back and forth. Like I said, sometimes I'll miss one, because you'll see I'm just kind of lightly squeezing the bottle. A lot will come out if you squeeze it too tight. So you'll see once we start everything up, it kind of gets in there. So I'm gonna let that sit for a second. I don't, that's not really doing much just because, but we're gonna put some in these guys here. So I believe I would want to put it in the gears. I'll see how this goes because I've never used these. I mean, like I said, we've always used the spray, so I'm just gonna all the moving parts, I guess you'd say, right? So let's see how that goes, and just kind of move everything around. Again, sorry if the camera's a little shaky and everything's moving around. I use one of the old GoPros, so can't really see on the back what it's looking at. I kind of have to judge it on the fly, if you feel me. So I'm gonna get some in here too. But like I said, I've used this a few times. No complaints so far. I mean, I don't think I will get any because we've probably put 15-ish hours on, these trimmers using the blade guard. I'm going to let this stuff sit and probably, I guess, wipe off the excess over time. All right, so I'll do one more. And I have not done this on these yet, so like I said, just bear with me. I might have to look into this more in case I miss a spot or if I'm doing it not the correct way, but it's in all the moving parts. So these things are beat up, man, but had them for a while. All right, I'll lock these back up. Cool. Good to go. All right, so we're going to start this guy up, and pretty much we'll get everything in there. So let's set this back real quick. Start it up. Cold start. Just give me 1 second. Alright, so pretty much, guys, when I would do this, I would do what I just did there, start everything up, and then when I store them at night, again, I would do this after trimming. I mean, obviously, this stuff's made to put it on and then trim the bushes, I guess, right away, or the next day, but I'll sharpen everything and lube everything up at the end of the day so it's ready for, or at the end of the second day so it's ready for the next week or the next month. But when I store this, I actually store it down. And again, there's nothing about it. There's probably no right or wrong, there's probably no wrong way to do it, but I don't like storing it up just because all this extra gunk will kind of, just get on the machine and who knows where it'll get into. But, so I store everything down when we put everything away. And, I'll kind of show you how we do that. But, so that's pretty much the gist of it. Again, I'm very sorry if the, quality's a little low just because I can't see on the back of this camera what really we're looking at. I just have an idea. So that's the STA-BIL blade guard. That's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, I've always used STA-BIL, with everything, with the storage, the protection in the gas during the season, for the diesel, everything. So, no complaints. No complaints at all. This is definitely something we're going to keep buying. And look how much this was used 3 times. And you'll see we have this trimmer, this stihl HS46C, and then we have 3 others over here, which is the Echo, the 2 other stihls over there. So like I said, this has been used definitely a few times. So, and that's how much we've gone through. I'll post a link in the description if you want to check it out. But that's really the gist of it. And like I said, we kind of put everything back. and I'll hang it down. You know, I don't want anything hung that's, I wouldn't say get into the way, but you know, like I said, I just want it down so none of that lubricant kind of gets into anything, you know. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. You know, check out the next one. It'll be out shortly. Thanks again, guys. Catch you later.